To take a customer order, click on the Order Book icon on the Store Manager home screen and then click the Add button. Start by entering the customer name, contact number, email ID, and address. Next, select the customer category, such as male, female, boy kid, or girl kid. For example, select female. Then choose the style name based on the customer's choice, such as QWERTY suit. If the style is not listed, you can enter it under Others. Now select the delivery date easily from the calendar. To add customer measurements, click on Add Measurements. Select the measurement unit as inches or centimeters and enter the values for top, bottom, sleeve, and full length. Click on Top Measurements to enter details like head circumference, neck circumference, and other required measurements. Similarly, enter bottom measurements, sleeve measurements, and full length measurements. If you need help taking measurements, click on the Guide option in the top right corner, select the categories such as Women, and swipe through to see the measurement guidelines. If the customer has a reference dress, click the checkbox under the Guide button. Once all measurements are entered, click Continue to the next step. Next, use the Add Drawing page to draw the required pattern design. Draw the first pattern and click Save. Then draw the second pattern and save it. After completing all drawings, click Save All Images. You can then upload reference images by taking photos with the camera or selecting from the mobile gallery. Next, add the fabric material details. You can capture the fabric image or upload it from the gallery. Enter the required quantity and the price per product. Use the add-on section to include extra work such as patchwork, embellishments, embroidery, or material purchase by adding the add-on name and price. If you want to remove the add-ons, simply click Delete button on right side. If there are any special instructions for the order, enter them in the description box. Then click Add Product to complete the product entry. Automatically, bill details are displayed with GST and discount. If GST is required, the store head must enable the GST percentage before creating an order. To do this, go to the store head, click the profile icon, and turn on GST. Once the store head turns on GST, the GST percentage will automatically be added to the bill details. You can apply a discount, for example 5%, and the system will automatically calculate the updated price. To add another product, simply repeat the same process. Finally, click Create Order. Your order will be created successfully. These steps help you assign tasks to employees efficiently and ensure error-free order management and timely delivery with the Ahadays Business Tailoring Management app. If a customer makes a payment, you can update it by clicking on the order. Scroll down and select the mode of payment option. Here, you can view the payment details. Advance amount, if the customer has already paid. Pending amount, remaining balance. Total amount. Payment status. Select the payment mode used by the customer, such as cash, GPay or PhonePe or card. Then, enter the amount paid. The customer can either pay the full amount or make a partial payment and complete it later. Finally, click the Update button on the right side. The payment status will be updated successfully